All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of day it is where you are. Hey, my name is Larry D. Johnson. I want to thank you for taking a few minutes to stop by and watch this video. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I am on a 90-day quest to build and scale my online business. And it's not just me doing it. I'm in a group of committed uh, people who are interested in generating a life-changing income. We're all in it together. We all support each other. Um, we have put together a program. Actually, our mentor, Michelle, has put together a program uh, on how to make $30,000 in 90 days. And I'll get into that in just a moment. But first, if you see my video, you'll know that I start off with my favorite Psalm of the day, that's Psalm 18:24, and it goes like this. This is the day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. The Psalm just gives me just a positive mindset to start out my day, and I just enjoy that. So thanks for letting me share that with you. Okay, so how to make 30K in 90 days. This is a video that Michelle did. It's part one of that topic, and it goes into a little bit detail on our mindset and what we need to do to make $30,000 in the next 90 days. Some people in our group have already been through this 90-day blitz. Some people just recently started. Some people will be starting it very shortly. But why am I doing it? I'm doing it because I know that when my wife, previous wife, passed away, I was left with one income, and I just recently retired, so that income was kind of wiped away, and I found myself into a spot where I was struggling to make ends meet. I mean, I was trying to figure out, I got my mortgage to pay, I've got my car payment to pay. I got my electric bill to pay. Now, which one of these can I hold off to next month? So, excuse me. So, if you've been in that position, you know what I'm talking about. If you're getting ready to retire or you're retiring and you're finding out that, hey, I don't know if my income or my retirement income is going to keep up with the standard of living that I'm used to. Well, I was in that boat, friend, and I know exactly how you felt. It's scary. It's stressful. I don't want to go through that again. So I decided to go to a plan B. I had some success online, but this particular program is like no other that I've seen. And as we go through this 90-day blitz, you'll see some of the benefits of this program, and hopefully you'll make up your mind to come and join us if you're in a position where you need to generate some extra money. Maybe you have a 9 to 5 job, just not keeping up with your expenses. Maybe you're getting ready to retire, or maybe you've already retired and you need some extra money to help you maintain your current standard of living. So, any of that stuff resonates with you, stay tuned to this video. And if you want some additional information at the end of it, hey, just put in the comments, Larry, send me more info, and I'll get that information out to you. So, this is part one of how to generate 30K in 90 days. And Michelle is going to talk to you a little bit about your mindset and going into this program and what you need to do because she sets it out. We have a plan, a 90-day plan every single day. What's great about this program, every single day, she lists the specific tasks that you need to do to reach that goal in the next 90 days. And some people do it before 90 days. That's great. Uh, but most people throughout that 90-day period will generally generate income as they are learning to build and scale the business. So, without further ado, uh, I'm gonna let Michelle finish and take over again. If you are interested in knowing how we do this and what we're doing, just leave a comment at the bottom of this video and say, Larry, send me more information, and I'll get that information out to you. Okay? Well, listen, if I don't see you at the end of this video, hey, have a wonderful, great day. God bless, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. All right, I'm out. Bye.
90-day legacy run where I'm showing you how to make 30K in 90 days. And many of you are on a legacy run of 100K in 90 days. So today we're going to talk about how to make 30K in 90 days, or how to make that 100K in the 90 days. You guys, it's all in the numbers. Right here, we have many different pages. What this said, you guys, has proven to work. It's not a question of what this said doesn't convert. It highly converts. So screenshot this page, right? Because if you are running for the 30K in 90 days, your goal is 12 customers a month. Okay, and times 900, that is $10,800. That is 10 people a day putting their email in right here, 10 a day. Now, if you're going on the 100K run, that is 37 customers a month, which is $33,300 a month. 25 people a day need to put their email in. This is what we track. You guys, the value of this is priceless. And here's what I mean. If you're not having 10 people a day or 25 people a day putting their email in, then you know you need to pivot somewhere. Maybe your message to your marketing isn't good enough, that they're not believing, they're not trusting in you enough. And this is why you're in this 90-day run. This is what I'm going to help you do. But these are proven stats. Okay, and I'm going to cover them with you because I want you to know your numbers. Now, I've figured this on the 30K in 90 days. So you're going to need to get your calculator out if you're going for the 100K in 90 days, and you're going to need to redo these numbers for you. Okay, but we're talking about 30K in 90 days right now. So divide the amount you want to make into 900. Example, you want to make 10,800. That's 12 customers because 12 times 900 equals 10,800. So if 1 out of 20 people are buying from you, you're going to need 240 people to give you their email in the month of April and May and June. Now, 1 out of 20 buying, you guys, that's an average inside our community. People that are making really good money probably have a 1 out of 10, 1 out of 15. Your numbers will get better. You can go back to my old content from 2022 and you can hear me be like, 1 out of 17 are buying, 1 out of 13 are buying, 1 out of 10 are buying from me. So those numbers will continue to get better, okay? But your goal is 240 new email subscribers each month. Because what happens if your funnel converts at 50%, that means you'll need 480 people to land on your funnel page. And that is 240 will put their email in. If you divide 480 divided by 30 days, that's 16 a day. And you're going to need just up it to 10 a day to put their email in. So if your goal in April is to have your funnel converting at 50% and 1 out of 20 people are buying from you, you will need 10 people a day to put their email in. And that equals 10,800 in April. Screenshot this. This is what you need to track. This is your goal. This is your goal, right? So obviously, if your funnel is not converting at 50%, then the numbers are going to change a little bit. But this is the goal. This is why this is a 90-day run. So how do you find that stat? Click into your funnel. You have your funnel pages. Click into that, and this is the capture page funnel, not your website funnel, the capture page funnel. Go in there and look at the stats. Click on stats, be on that squeeze page, look at that, and you'll see the conversion rate. That's your goal, is to have it 50%. If it's not there, don't let that discourage you. You know the industry average, if you have a 20% conversion on a funnel, you are amazing. So the fact that I want you to raise your standards. I want you to expect more from yourself, because if you can expect more, then you're also going to start programming your mind, expect to win. Okay? So important. That's the goal, right? We have to have a higher goal. I want you to aim for more. And so every week, I'm going to show you how to check your numbers and how to track it and make sure you are progressing in the right direction. Okay? So one of the most important things you can do when you're building a business, you got to manage your mind. If not, the limiting beliefs, if not, the stinking thinking's going to come in. If not, the doubt's going to come in. You guys, your numbers will suck at first. You think you can just launch a business and be perfect at the beginning? Heck no. No, it took me about 6 weeks to really get a consistent flow in getting my numbers in. Matter of fact, never even look at this. If you're brand new listening to me right now, don't even look at your funnel till you've had 100 people ask for more information. Okay? And I want you to look at this not as a positive or negative thing, but as a directional thing. And here's what I mean. If your numbers start improving, keep on doing what you're doing to get your numbers to improve. If your numbers start decreasing, you got to switch something up. And usually that's you're not connecting well enough with your audience. So your videos will not get views at first. When you're creating content on a social media platform, you're not going to get any views at first. Nobody knows you. You got to build that brand. You got to build that up. You won't have people buy at first. You just won't. Because they're not familiar with you yet. People buy from people they know, like, and trust. But the more you focus on that, the more you will get more of that. Don't put it out in the universe. Nobody's looking at my videos. Nobody's subscribing. Nobody's doing this. You're right. And that energy will reflect in your content. It's nobody's viewing yet. Nobody's bought from you yet. Have that yet mindset. So here's what I had to do, right? I had to want to show up for my perfect customer every day. I wanted to pour into them. I wanted to love in them with on my content and deliver so much value so they want to work with me. So they want to buy from me. Because the more you focus on improving and having fun and love delivering value to your ideal customers, you will win. You will make 30K in 90 days. It will happen, my friend. This is where you just got to manage that mind. Your mind is going to help you thrive, or your mind is going to help you barely survive. And it sadly can even help you quit because you get that stinking thinking coming in. So that's where you got to really manage your mind. And remember, have fun. This is a 90-day run, okay? If you get in your head, you are dead, and this goal will never be met. So just remind yourself, it's just step by step, I'm learning. It's no different than playing basketball. If you wanted to learn to play basketball and you've never even touched a basketball in your life, do you think you could take that basketball out of a box and be able to dribble it? Be able to dribble it and walk and go shoot and make it? Of course not. And you wouldn't even expect to be able to make it. You would know, I got to learn. I got to get comfortable. I got to get a rhythm down. Same thing with your business, my friend. Don't expect for you to create one piece of content and everybody's going to buy from you. Don't expect for you to create 20 pieces of content and everybody's going to buy from you. But do expect to get better, get more relatable every single day. That's why go inside your program and go to the perfect customer content and spend some time going inside of that. And I'm going to be teaching that live inside our Legacy Builder program. Live interactive, where I'm going to be able to help you discover your perfect customer, and we're going to go in breakout rooms, okay? That's one of the most important things, and I'm going to kind of redo the schedule a little bit because many of you have asked for that. Because so many of you, the moment I spent time with you doing how to discover your perfect customer, and you did, it changed your business. So I will equip you with every single thing that you need to reach that 30K in 90-day goal, to reach that 100K in 90-day goal, but I can't manage your mind. Only you can, my friend. Get that winning mindset. Expect to win. Realize not everything that is so amazing in your life comes easy, right? Don't expect 30K in 90 days to come easy, okay? Nobody said that. But will it be fun? Will it be worth it? Will it be pivoting and learning new things? Absolutely. But you made 30K in 90 days, or you made 100K in 90 days. I can promise you, if you manage your mind, it will change your life, and it is so worth it, my friends. You got this. Woo! Here we go.